Good morning! Hello everybody! Lily and I are in the park. Lily just had a vet appointment not so long ago. And she had to check yung mata niya kasi nagmumuta. Tsaka yung bordetella. So far, okay naman siya. Ayan. Masyadong makulit. Gustong bababa at maglakad. Stay! Lily, come on. Come here, honey. Huh? Hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Lily is here excited to be here, to be outside. Magandang panahon eh. Oh, lilingon-lingon ka dyan. Sino tinitingnan mo? Wala naman tao. Tayo lang. Okay. Pauwi na kami. Mag-stroller kami. Kay magandang panahon. Come on, oh, look at the camera, oh. Hi. Okay, let's go. Yes. Kulit ni Lily. Stay right there. Stay, oh. Look at the camera. Yes, that's Lily.